Right, as you've seen, this is Steve. He's an SR Yamaha 125. So he weighs about 104 kilograms. He's got about 12 sheep power. He goes about 55 miles an hour downhill with a tailwind and no breakfast. He's a CBT machine that might need some CPR. I think what we're most proud about is his 2-star rating on MCN. So this is just a short video to introduce Steve. At the moment he doesn't run, so we've got him a maintenance-free Parshano battery, so we'll see if that gets him up and running. So stick around to the end, we'll see if we get him started, and also to be able to give your opinions, your technical advice and your motorbike enthusiasm about it all. Great start.
That can't be right.
Thank you. I just don't know how. That looks good, doesn't it?
No.
What are those for? Everything's in. So, fuel on. She's gonna need a bit of choke.
Okay.
Right, so as you can see, we got Steve running. He's not running great. He is running, but as soon as you put the choke in and try and rev, it cuts out, which I suppose is something that you'd expect with a fuel injection, no fuel injection, and hasn't been run for a good few months. If you have any ideas or how, in terms of maintenance, how to get the bike up and running, please leave them in the comments or send them to our Instagram. That would be great, because we're going to need a bit of help getting him sort of just running smoothly and everything. So join us next time for Steve's initial ride, which hopefully goes well. Thank you very much. I do my kick. Yeah. Huh?